So our primary mover and shaker here is interferon beta. Whoops. And that's one of the things that happens. If you do that, just Control Z will take you away. So I'm going to pull it out here. So interferon beta is the beginning of the pathway. This is how we describe it. And what we're saying is that interferon beta, so the highlighted bits in yellow here are represented that when in any given piece of text that you're going to read, there are bits of information that are not necessary to draw the diagram. And of course, there's nothing in the text that tells you what is and that isn't. And what I've done here is highlight the bits. So interferon beta, forget all of this part, homodimerizes. So homodimerize, so we have this oligomerization node. So oligomerization means that it's an auto binding of a protein, so that you can get trimerization. So a lot of proteins don't work as the simple subunit, but they actually bind with themselves in trimers or dimers. And so this symbol here is meant to denote that. So we can take this here, we can draw us there, and then what we get at the end of that process here, and there are some nice lines to help us draw things accurately, or spacing, is that we can draw that there. So interferon beta homodimerizes and forms the dimer version of the molecule. It binds to its cell surface receptor that is composed of a receptor proteins interferon alpha receptor 1, receptor 2, and intracellular kinases type 2, and JAK1. So there's the symbol for the receptor. Okay. Now that's kind of sat there on the surface, and what we're going to show now is that this binds to that here. So there it is. We draw that there. Those two come together. Okay. And what we also read in that statement was that this guy here was made up of these four here. So those are all the components of that receptor, and we're going to draw them as they're being made. Okay, so these guys have come together, so those are binding together. To form that receptor. Okay. A bit of just adjustment, we can get them all nice and neat and evenly spaced. And so now I'm going to ask you, so you get the idea? Now try and draw what goes. So I'll give you another 10 minutes to draw what happens next in the story, and see if you can take it from here. So we're going to, so I'll just show you the output of that reaction. So there is the interferon beta now bound to its receptor. So that's the product of that reaction. So that's the first part of our story that we're trying to describe, is this interaction between interferon beta and its receptor to give the bound form of the receptor complex, ligand complex, which is then going to go on to do various things. So another 5-10 minutes on beginning to take this information one step further and extracting from that information what happens next.